I love rocket launches, seeing those big powerful rockets explode as the rocket itself blasts off into outer space. The noise, the explosion, the light, it's an amazing experience. So let's recreate it here at home. To do film canister rockets, we're going to need some vinegar, some film canisters, which you can find at the dollar store, some antacid tablets, and you're going to need some space outside because it can be a messy one. Here's all the ingredients that I used. The first thing to do is to pry the lid off of our little film canister container that we got at the dollar store. They're on pretty tight, so it takes a little bit of effort to get it off there. But once we have it off, we can fill it with just a tiny bit of vinegar. I usually fill the canister less than a quarter full. Now let's give it a try. We're going to take half an antacid tablet, drop it in, put the lid on, and turn it upside down so the lid is facing down. And after a few seconds, we get an explosion! Let's see that again a little bit slower. That was pretty cool. But where did the film canister go? Let's try it again. Except this time we're going to keep an eye on our rocket as it launches up high in the sky. Keep your eye on it. That went about 8 feet up in the air. There it is. The reaction itself between baking soda and vinegar produces carbon dioxide, water, and a few soluble elements. The carbon dioxide is what fills up the film canister and eventually builds up the pressure so high that it explodes like a rocket. That's what we're looking for.